Hello everyone, in front of me is KODAK K10, and let me show you how to change system language. So, first of all, enroll the settings. Then find and select system, go to languages, and tap on system languages. Now, tap on a language that you want to apply. Pick the region if there is more than one. And once selected, you need to slide it up to the top of the list. Just tap and hold and slide right here. And that's it. It would be already applied. Just give it a couple of seconds. Yep, and here it is. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.